Okay, so my best friend, Laurie from My Little Creatures, love her work, bought me a 3-month subscription to Sketchbox for my birthday. So basically she bought me 3 months of birthday presents. So you can imagine how cool I think that is. So I thought I would film unboxing. I love the branding, that's really cute. If you have a look at that, hopefully you can see that. It says here, if you'd like your work printed on our next box, use these supplies and create a piece of art and tag us. Hashtag Sketchbox. How awesome is that? You get this beautiful artwork just on your box. So, I can use my Tim Holtz tonic scissors. I've had all sorts of scissors before, but these guys are some of the best. And I cannot even tell you, if anyone who's watching this knows me, oh, can't get open, knows I'm like, oh, Jesus. Bloody hell. Queen of impatience. Oh, here we go. I've had this box for 2 whole days and I haven't even opened it. So, seriously, that deserves a round of applause just on its own. Right, so School for the Gifted. Woo! I've got this open. Now, my friend tells me she bought me the premium box. So, apparently you get full-size products, not just like trial-size products. So, sketchbook. Oh, look, there's a school. That's pretty cool. That's very cool. Alright. Oh, this tells me all the things that are in the box. Oh, inktense! A whole pack of inktense! Oh my god, these are my favourite pencils in the whole wide world. Oh my god, I just died. Pens. Oh my god. Strathmore Mixed Media! Oh my god, this is like a box that was destined just for me. Oh my god, I'm dying. Alright. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look, another featured artist. How cool is that? And Grimm. I love that TV show. Have you seen Grimm? And my favourite colour is grey. Oh, my God. Okay. So, I'm excited just about the marketing material, which is a little sad. Doing Inktense pencils. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I have to show you these things because they are crazy, wicked, amazing. I actually just bought some individual ones of these online shopping this morning. How funny is that? I'm probably going to double up on colours. Oops, but that won't matter. Because I am so ridiculously heavy-handed with my pencils that it's not even funny. Again, and not another big surprise if you know me at all. Alright. Oh, there we go. Dirt. Alright. As you can see, I do experience packaging rage in my life quite a lot, and now you can see why. Look at this. Look. Oh my god, I love these colours. The dark brown, the black, mustard, the olives, and the blues. I probably won't necessarily use maybe the super brights, but you never know. But all these dark muted colours, oh my gosh. Let me just pull over. This is a Jane Davenport journal. You can see all my ink. The front cover's actually like a fabric, and every time I put it down on my what's it called? Craft sheet. It picks up all the ink blots that I've got on there, so it's a bit crazy. So let me pull out one of these ones. This one, Deep Indigo. Now these come in, let me just lean over so you can see why I'm so ridiculously excited. Because I've got the blocks, the 12 blocks, and now these are the pencils that go with them. How good is that? So, the Inktense comes in a pencil, or it comes in like these sticks. And again, you can see the ones I use all the time because they're broken, because I'm so heavy-handed with everything. So, broken, 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 broken. So, now you know, I'm so in love with these. Now you know why I'm so excited about the pencils in this box. So, I'll just scribble a bit just so you can see what it looks like. And spritz them with water. So these are basically ink, but in like a compressed powdered pencil form or the block form. So when you wet them, look at that. Oh my god, divinity. So I cannot even tell you, this box just for this set of stuff alone is just loving, 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 loving already. Right, what else have we got? Let's move this out the way. Strathmore Mixed Media pad. I have I've just finished a Strathmore Mixed Media art journal, and I've had lots of other journals given to me that I've bought, but look, these are all this crafty colour, not white. Oh, that could be a challenge, but they'd be great little postcards, wouldn't they? How good would that be? Just little individual postcards. That paper's actually really thick. That's almost like the backing on a pad like this, that's sort of a bit thinner. That's really cool. Yeah, Strathmore, I always go back to it. I've tried all sorts of other art journals, but the Strathmore Mixed Media is definitely... Oh, look, a sticker. I actually just put a sticker on one of my journals, and it was from... what was it from? I think it was from Society 6, so I can put that on there as well. Yeah, it was Society 6. So I might pop that on there as well. That's pretty cool. I'm assuming that's off something I just bought, probably the Inktense pencils. And then we've got 3 pens. I'd actually be interested, that packaging is very nice. So let's move that out the way and bring our art journal back in. I'll be interested to see if this actually bleeds. Oops, chaos ensues. If this bleeds colour. Nah, good quality stuff, which means it doesn't leach colour. Alright, so let's check out, put this on here before no running with scissors, kids. Prismacolor Premier Pen. I use Prismacolor pencils all the time. Heaps of them. And again, being very heavy-handed, they wear down pretty quick. But I didn't even know that Prismacolor made pens. So that's actually pretty cool. So let's have a look. Oh, it actually looks like it's green. Which, hello, that's probably why the... Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's why why the barrel's green. You idiot. I just assumed it was black. Isn't that funny? That actually is a really nice brush tip. Ooh, I like that. I don't know that I'd use the green all that much, but I'd go back and get a couple of black ones of those. This one says B, so that's for brush. So I'm assuming they maybe make fine tips and stuff as well, so I definitely play with that. And again, because I'm obsessed with water, let's see how much it... Whoa, look at that. Oy. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay, so it doesn't like water. Maybe if you actually let it dry for longer than 2 seconds, it does. So let's put that over here and give it a bit more of half a chance to dry. The other one is an ecoline brush pen, which a friend of mine, Robin, loves the ecoline stuff. Another brush marker. Let's go over here. Yeah, let's go over here. This page is gessoed, by the way. I never work on anything without gesso. I think just because I'm so enthusiastic. Oh, look at that when you could press hard, the darkness of it. Oh, yum. I cannot even believe how very me this box is. Look how dark that colour is. Oh, God, I love that. All right. So if you press hard, it's got quite a nice rich colour, but then it's a bit pastel-y, almost like a... I mix a lot of my paints with the golden colour Van Dyke Brown so that it makes like a dirty colour, so dirty turquoise, dirty pink. And that actually looks like a sort of a dirty peach colour. Whoop. Okay, that activates with water too. We'll let that one dry a bit more and see if that still activates. And then Pigma Brush Archival Ink pen. Again, so another brush pen. That's very cool. Let's see if this one's actually black. It's got a black tip on the end. Ooh, this is super fine, which is hilarious because I'm so heavy-handed. Ooh, I'm totally digging this one too. This black is like a charcoal. It's not like a super crazy black. I Oh, I like that. That one felt really nice to draw with too. They all got really nice tips actually. They feel beautiful. Even if I wasn't going to use this one particularly as a pen as such, I would probably use it like this and use it up. Just using it as a wash, maybe for outlining things and then feathering it with a paintbrush. Which, I do have a paintbrush here. Let's spritz this guy, see if he's waterproof. It's so hilarious because I use water with everything, so that's why I want to test it all so I know what I'm getting with it. So, let's just on page, because why be prepared? I do this all the time. I just, whatever's closest at hand is what I use. That actually pulls out quite nice, doesn't it? I think if you did it while you were quick, it's like straight away. Let's try straight away. And let's just spritz straight onto that. Oh yeah, see, look at that. That's almost like treating it like a watercolour brush pen, which is probably what it is. Let's have a look. Brilliant colours, concentrated. Just says brush pen. And the colour's burnt sienna, if you're wondering. That's actually a really nice colour. I love that colour. That's a very me colour. This green one. Looking for the colour. Just says brush tip marker. I can't see a colour. I'm guessing the fact that it's just a green barrel is all they're going to tell you. And then the pigment brush, it just says brush. It doesn't seem to have a size, so they might only make the one size. But that's actually really, really cool. So I'll just run back through the box again for you. Get all the packaging out of the way. So we had the Derwent Inktense pencils. We had the Strathmore Mixed Media little bits of card stock in the tan and in the dark grey. Ooh, they do seem to just break off the pad. Just keep that in mind if you get this. That's alright, we'll use that up pretty quick sticks. And then we had the ecoline brush marker in the burnt sienna, which I really love. This black brush marker, which I'll probably use for journaling, but I would have to do it without any water going over the top, I'd say. And then the green Prismacolor Premier pen, which I definitely would investigate the black because that feels so nice to write with. My little sticker. The artwork with Grey Grim as an artist. Love that name. I would choose that name for myself as like a alias. That tells me all the stuff that's in the box. And you can see here it says premium box. And Sketch School for some videos. So that's my very first Sketchbox unboxing. Bye.